Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You open Custom Match now and act, don't wait. Choose Create Room, pick the map and mode, and set player count immediately so the lobby exists. Make it private with a password or public. Use a room card or the free slot to reserve the match. Once done, name the room clearly and set the start time. Invite admins and co-hosts while players join. Make sure to lock settings you don't want changed before Phase 2 begins. Now you configure the core rules that shape the match. Tweak blue zone speed, safe zone timing, loot rarity, and vehicle density so play matches your intent. Set time of day for visibility. Assign team sizes, enable or disable auto balance, decide on respawn and revive rules, and grant spectator permissions for admins. Run a short dry run with staff to validate loadouts and spawn fairness. Once valid, you start the match and actively monitor connections and server performance. Watch ping, dropouts, and desync indicators so you can react fast. Use admins to enforce rules and handle disputes, and record or stream for replay and review. If a major problem appears, stop and restart the lobby or promote a new host. Swap the room card if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If players can't join, confirm the password and region. Then restart only the lobby to preserve settings. That usually fixes join failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.